Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Daily Drug Info. And don't forget to subscribe Daily Drug Info to watch new videos. Today I will describe drug vitamin E, generic name alpha tocopherol. Overview and indications. Vitamin E, alpha tocopherol is a fat soluble vitamin. It is useful in many conditions including malabsorption disorder, hemolytic disorder, cardiovascular disease, and retrolental fibrosis. Doses: adult dose 50 to 800 mg per day, depending upon the disease being treated. In pediatric dose 1 to 100 mg per kg per day, depending upon the disease being treated. Administration: oral, may take with meals. Strengths are available in capsule formulation 400 mg and in tablet 100 mg. Pregnancy status: A. Adverse effects are fatigue, weakness, headache, nausea, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and delayed coagulation time in vitamin K deficient patient may occur with lower doses. Major signs of toxicity include fatigue and weaknesses. Thank you for watching Daily Drug Info.